Okay. From Genesis 2014, we are again back. Now, as we all know that behind every successful man, there's a woman behind them. I like slightly twist the phrase a bit, and I'll let you know behind this event also we have some wonderful women behind them. We have Bella ma'am, we have Payal ma'am, we have Priyal ma'am, and we have Shivangi ma'am. Let's talk about the present scenario of Genesis event here with them. Okay, so Bella ma'am, as we all know, the theme of this event Genesis 2014 is vote for better India. So as we all know that 49% of the voters are women. So what do you think about the voting and awareness about women in this thing?
Actually, according to me, I thought that the women, those who are outside home, means the women who are working women, are very aware about the election and all. But here we have to think about the women who are inside the home, because they are just influencing by the news, they are just influencing by what they are heard from the social media. So the important thing is the working woman cannot influence easily, but we have to focus to the women, those who are at the home. So definitely the women are very important, because nowadays the women are very powerful and very successful in most of the field. But considering the woman at home, if they will be awake and choose a proper people, then this would be real voting in India.
Thank you, ma'am. And जैसे हम सब जानते हैं कि मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन वुमेन्स आर ऑल्सो हाउस वाइफ्स. अब मैं इनसे ये जानना चाहूँगा कि घर और इवेंट दोनों कैसे हैंडल किया जाता है. यस मैम.
That is, we always devote our time, we always divide our time, that this time is for house and this time is for example, event. And at any time we need to choose our priority, because every time we are having, for example, right now I am having some work at home also, I am having some responsibility here also. Right now I am having priority over here, so at that time I need to think about only about events, about this. Once the responsibility is over, then I will think about that. And once I am going there and doing that work, then I should forget about every other responsibility. Otherwise, I will not be loyal to my duties at that time. So every time I can say our mindset, we are changing every day, twice a day. Every day, because when we are working over here, all the students here, they are our children, and we are just caring about those things. Once we go home, there are other family members who are waiting for us, then our responsibilities are over them.
थैंक यू मैम. और जैसे कि हर टेक फेस्ट में होता है, द मोस्ट ऑफ द टेक फेस्ट आर रिलेटेड टू टेक्निकल इवेंट्स, बट टेक फेस्ट आर नॉट जस्ट टेक्निकल इवेंट्स. हम तो ये भी चाहेंगे कि सम कल्चरल इवेंट शुड बी ऑल्सो देयर, समथिंग दैट कुड टीज आवर माइंड, रिफ्रेश आवरसेल्व्स. तो अब हम मैम से ये जानना चाहेंगे कि कल्चरल इवेंट को टेक्निकल इवेंट में डालना अच्छा रहेगा, और अगर रहेगा तो किस तरह से. यस मैम.
डेफिनेटली कल्चरल इवेंट्स टेक्निकल इवेंट्स के साथ होनी चाहिए. लाइक द सेइंग इज़ ऑल वर्क एंड नो प्ले मेक्स जैक अ डल बॉय. सो along with studies and along with other tech fest, we should include the cultural events. And लाइक फर्स्ट अभी कल्चरल इवेंट्स 2-3 ईयर्स से बंद हो गए हमारी कॉलेज में. पहले जैसे कल्चरल इवेंट्स में फैशन शोज़, डांसेस और मतलब सारा एंटरटेनमेंट बहुत अच्छी तरह से होता था कॉलेज में, और पढ़ाई के साथ सब कुछ मैच भी हो जाता था, कोप अप हो जाता था. तो कल्चरल इवेंट्स डेफिनेटली होनी चाहिए. और नेक्स्ट ईयर से मैं चाहूँगी कि स्टूडेंट्स खुद परमिशन लेने प्रिंसिपल मैडम के पास जाए और मैम उनको परमिशन दे कि कल्चरल इवेंट्स वापस स्टार्ट हो.
Okay. Even I hope that next time we just held a cultural event too. Thank you. And with us, ma'am, आपको भी मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि अभी इस बार के जेनेसिस में वुमेन पार्टिसिपेशन कितना है, और अगर आया भी है तो व्हाट आर देयर रिस्पॉन्स रिगार्डिंग जेनेसिस एंड वुमेन पार्टिसिपेशन फॉर द वोटिंग सेशंस.
Well, regarding women's participation, I think 40 to 45% participation is there, no doubt. And as we are knowing, in today's era, women or female, they are also doing cop up good with the male consistent or whatever you can say. So here, even in technical events also, we can see the girls who are taking part in different events, technical events. So I think their participation is also good and it should be increased as per my suggestion.